spinning, rotating, circling, spinning. Life is an endless journey of nothingness and everything, like the ceiling fan that doesn't even know it's alive, that doesn't even know it's going in circles, day in, day out, at the mercy of those who control the switch, who call the shots, who turn it on and turn it off. The ceiling fan, a pawn in the game, or an ignorant sentient being in an endless cycle, unable to stop its own existence, unable to comprehend the seriousness and the duality of the universe, unable to control its destiny. Or is it? Does it have a choice? Does it have options? Does it have heartburn? Do I have heartburn? Is heartburn even real? Is heartburn a glitch in the Matrix? Or maybe we're all living in a simulation. Maybe the fan is not real. Maybe you are not real. Maybe the mountains used to be giant trees. Maybe there are elves living in your telephone. Maybe the fan really is alive. Maybe it's trying to send you telepathic messages, but your brain is not evolved enough to understand them. Maybe every single inanimate object you've ever come in contact with is trying to communicate with you at a deeper level, and you're just so absorbed in your mobile phone games and your dramatic relationships with your boss and your spouse and yourself to understand the truth, about ceiling fans. Wake up.